Where you don't have the isofix, what you can do is, it's very easy. In.
Oh, same like the carrier lah.
Yep.
Okay.
Easier than that, don't worry. Okay, and then both straps going
Oh.
through. Okay, and then press this down. So it locks. It's too tight. Just press it down.
It's so hard.
Nice. Yeah. Come, it's not going. Strange. Oh, because of this knob here. So never mind. I'll just adjust it out of the way. Yeah, should be okay now. But you don't need a seatbelt if you are using it in this car. But for your Myvi, you will need.
Yeah.
Hold on. There you go.
Right.
And back into this one. Because of that plastic knob, so it's stuck. So,
Okay.
So in your Myvi, you can do it this way.
Okay.
In your BM, you do
No
not
need
need
lah.
this. But if you want to do it, I'll fix both on anyway.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Then the other thing you need to
Adjust the leg.
is
Is it?
this one. Yes,
Yeah.
correct. This then. Pull it out and let it extend to the ground.
The red one, you press the
Yes.
one lah.
Pull it out.
Oh, pull it up.
Then you'll see the stand. It should turn green.
Oh, where's the green?
To let it be
Oh, okay.
fully extended.
Oh, okay. It has to be green lah.
Yes, that means it's touching the ground.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Then it is
And
safe
this one
already.
also must be green.
Yep.
This part. Okay.
Okay.
This one is press lah.
Yes, this one just press.
Okay.
This one actually is to move front and back. But what you do is after you have installed, you press and push it all the way in.
Okay.
Okay. And the legs screen now. Still not long enough. Can I just move the seat front a bit?
Yeah. At the side.
Let me see.
Underneath.
Underneath. At the side.
No, the bar. You just lift up the bar.
The bar. There's no bar.
Your bar more.
It's long enough. It's still not long enough.
Oh, it shouldn't move front forward lah. It should lock itself to the floor, is it?
Yeah, it must touch the ground. So that it's stable enough. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay. Then attach the seat.
Ke?
So for newborn, it's rear facing.
Uh-huh.
So normally you attach the back part first. To remove, press this button.
Okay.
Then you can turn it around.
Okay.
When your baby is older.
Okay.
Now just do this. Okay.
Okay.
Then press and push it back in.
Oh, so it locks automatically.
It's locked in.
So this one can tilt.
This is up and this is.
This for newborn setting is more better to recline, right?
Yes, recline all the way, which is
Press that little button there, is it?
this button. Yeah.
Okay.
This one.
Then if, for example, if you switch it the other way around, if you want to take it out also, it's
Press this one.
Mm-hmm.
And then turn it around.
I see. Oh, it's the same.
Recline.
Okay.
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 So for now, it's best to recline, rear facing. Oh, it's kind of. When you want to move it, right, you press this one and push the base to the front first.
Okay.
Then you. Okay.
All right.
And
then lock it back.
Push it back in. So in the recline, this is the upright position. This is the recline position. Press and push it back in.
Okay.
Here it clicks.
All right.
Okay. So for this one, that's the one.
Okay. Cool. That's it.
So a lot of times we get feedback from our customers that after they look at this angle, they think it's too upright. But actually in the car, right, you can't let the baby lie down too.
Okay.
So there must be an angle.
Okay.
Like this one.
Like for my baby, do I need a newborn insert or
yeah,
this one just
yeah.
enough? This one just enough
This one,
lah.
yeah.
Okay.
This one is fine.